with loyalty, rely endeavor, to aid the physician in his work, and devote myself to the welfare of those committed to my care. So help me God.
At this point, we will now call on Mr. Kevin Ojeda, member of the BSN class.
Benefit to those of us whom you have blessed with the holy profession of nursing. Help me to be faithful to that cause, so that I can always do things you want me to do in the manner that you want me to do them. Grant that my voice may be gentle, that my hands may have the softness and sympathy of your head, that my presence should bring something for the hope and consolation which in your presence brought to the sufferers of your day. I want to do all of these things, Lord, but I know that I am weak, that I can do little without your aid. Please give me that aid this day and every
Talagang kinausap ko si Jojo. Napakaganda na pagpapakilala, sir. Maraming salamat. Isip ko sa Nesya ng Patent Affairs. Sumangalilig. Nagkita kami kanina hapon. Sabi ko makakarating ang inyong program direct.